project itself, what you will explain to your interviewer. That is the reason I told your mini project is important. How you will build the storyline. Unfortunately, Rudra, only one you done, remaining two pending.
Yeah, I do this week. I will submit all the things.
Because you need to build the storyline, right? They will ask, okay, can you please pick your favorite secure cyber security concept? Once you complete from your own, how much content I'm giving also. For example, you will see in these 40 plus sessions, you have lot of content. You done lot of content, but 30 minutes of discussion, 30 minutes, 40 minutes of discussion, still you will get the new things, right? But you have a your own, you done end to end of the project. Directly you will take him to the your control. You will explain. I will explain secure flashing. I will explain secure access, secure JTAG, like that. So better without miss, please complete your homeworks and it will give you a lot of advantages for you for a long run. Maybe days may vary because my third batch guy the day before yesterday he selected. Huh? In the analyst point of view, mostly questions will come like in these directions also. What is the how your Tara is reusing in your projects? When you are performing a Tara analysis, you are reusing into multiple project. Anytime such a Taras you are involved or not. That is the reason initially also I told you have a platform Tara concept. So one is platform Tara concept and a generic Tara. That means that some people will call generic Tara. Whatever the common. Now any product, if I'm giving a product, you need to look like a Vara level. Any weaknesses are there? Okay, vulnerable analysis and the risk assessment really required. You need to, if you have a 10 CVVs I given, the 10 CVVs, it is applicable for your product, whatever the I am saying, it is applicable or not, you need to do. Second one is before releasing your product, you need to analyze the threat analysis and risk assessment. Really, any goal you need to mitigate. Mitigation means what? You observe that you are scoring. For example, I will say that you have a control. Then I will ask you risk value. What is the range you will tell me? Venkat, you can tell me. What is the range of your risk value? Risk value is there in the, you already know, right? Risk value is what is the two product together as a risk value. What are that values?
Um, Feasibility rating and
Hmm.
risk treatment or score.
Feasibility rating multiply by another value, SFOP, what you will call that values.
Risk
Impact
score.
value.
Impact
Impact
rating.
value.
Impact rating.
Not giant. When you are when you are multiplying that together, so you will get the final value. That final value is what is the range Okay, that value between what is the range? If value between 1 to 25 in between range, you have a cyber security control means always what color you are. You are in green color, yellow color, brown color, red color.
Yeah, it is a 5 cross 5 matrix. If it is in green color, we are implementing or we are taking the action, uh, and means we are doing it based on that four actions: accept, reduce, transfer. Uh, like yeah, in that color rating only, like
I'll
based on.
agree in that color rating when Yugandhar, when you are doing the action, when you are which color?
It will be green.
If it is green, then what is the your value? If it is a green, for example, if it is a green assume, what value it will come? What are the scenarios you are become a green?
We mostly accept the residual risk.
Then you are saying control when which color you need. You need a cyber security control.
Red or yellow.
Yellow or brown?
I think only three color: red, yellow, and green.
It's brown also, it is there actually.
In this table, when you will keep the control, in which color? You are able to see screen, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we are able to see.
Now you guys can tell, analyst. Kalyan, you can tell when you will keep the control, cyber security control.
For high level,
That means which color that one?
red sir,
Speak
yellow,
loudly.
yellow sir, yellow.
For example, you will see your likelihood value is very low. Okay, that means if you release product, maybe it will take 2 years or 3 years to attack you. If someone is attacked also, your impact is very low. You need any cyber security control there?
Yes sir, we need to reduce feasibility, right?
I hope, hey, Kalyan, ఈ రోజు
Yes sir,
ప్రొడక్ట్ మార్కెట్లోకి రిలీజ్ చేసావు.
yes sir,
4 సంవత్సరాలు పట్టింది నిన్ను అటాక్ చేస్తానికి.
yes sir.
అటాక్ చేసినా కూడా నువ్వేమి నష్టపోవు. అప్పుడు నువ్వు సపరేట్ గా సెక్యూరిటీ పెట్టిస్తావు దానికి.
Less sir.
ఆ, అది ఏంటి? అది అది నథింగ్ బట్ యువర్ ఎల్లో కలర్.
Yes sir.
If that value is there in that yellow color, all yellow colors and all you will accept it.
Okay.
Brown color and red color, you will decide the budget is required to implement. Then first priority is
Red
red
color.
color. If it is there in that red color, if it is there in that red color, straight away you need the cyber security control. Red color is the high priority. This is the one. Once red color is there, that means what? Likelihood value is always medium, high, or very high. Impact also medium, high, very high. Always very high. High and very high, high priority. Okay? If still you have a budget, then you will accommodate medium as well. Then you will ask, what is meant by residual risk? Still, you kept the security, cyber security control. Cyber security control is present. Security JTAG is present. But still some problem is there. Your own employees are compromised the key. You need to you need to respect that. You need to accept it that. Certain behind level you can't implement. Such a concept only we'll call it as a residual risk concept. First time, man, your group this much attendance low. Huh. What happened? Okay. Now, VARA analysis. Vulnerable analysis and risk assessment. If I given as a 300 CVVs, what is your first step? I given 300 CVVs. What you guys will do first? You have CVSS score. Hmm? In the CVSS score, rating will be 1 to 10. If your rating is 1 to 5 in between, then you need to accept it. That is the low value. So these two things is the your duty actually. Each and every day, you need to take VARA analysis how I will perform, TARA analysis how I will perform. You take different examples. In the day one, initial 4 weeks, and now what is your understanding? What is your understanding of performing any attack? So, diagram is how much it is critical also. You need to be always keep in your mind. You need to do only two analysis. One is VARA analysis, the second one is TARA analysis. Then I hope, Kalyan, I sent you what are your jobs, how many roles you can apply, right? Either role also, they will do these are the major actions in the organizations. You know, your duty is mainly like a cyber security properties, attack surfaces, attack vectors. These all are the some of the major your responsibility. If really you performed a VARA analysis, Sigundar, you can tell me steps it will involve some steps. VARA analysis, 2 classes time also I told. You have a some step process.
Yeah.
What are the steps involved in the VARA analysis?
Yeah, in our analysis, the actual things are the asset vehicle identification will be there.
Mm.
And then we need to where the gaps are there, that we need to identify.
Okay. VARA analysis is a incident, yes or no?
Yes, it is an incident.
If it is a incident, then you have a asset and it is already incident. Then what are the next steps you will do? I given a,
No.
your product I attacked already.
We'll raise a request on that, and then we log files will check it on that, and then based on that we will take actions.
That is the you already. I told you like a incident is happened. Okay, someone attacked you. Then what are the next step? You identified that. Okay. Otherwise, you detected that incident, cyber security incident.
Yes.
Then once it is detected, then we will start like identifying. Really,
Yes.
whatever if this is belongs to my product or not.
Yes.
Then you will respond also somehow. Once you identified, if it is no, then you will respond back to that fellow. It is not applicable.
Yeah.
This way you can remember. First it is detected. Then you will identify. Better I will share screen. Wait.
Are you, are you recording now?
Yeah, yeah. Today I will teach you nice content. Guys are not joined, right? I will see. Real time only I will tell. Don't worry. You will see. In the framework of array analysis, always you have five-step process, right? First, you will detect any attack. This some attack is happened, then you will detect that attack. Once it is detected, then you will start like identification. Hey, Kalyan, this is our project or not? No, no, Ram. Our project version will start 1.200. These guys are detected only like a 30 or 40. Then I will ask Kalyan, please respond it. Kalyan will respond like it is not applicable for our product. That way, detect, identify, respond. In the identification, in the identification, you need to provide a solution. Then you need to protect it. If you protect it, then you are recovering from that situation. So that is the way how you will remember the storyline, your wish. In the when you are someone interviewer is asking what is your process flow, array analysis, you need to tell these all are the steps. Detect, identify, respond, protected, recovery. Otherwise, you have another steps also. Some people will follow this way. Analysis, detection after that preparation you will do and analysis you will do containment you will do you will fix it, then you will recover it, you will protect it. Preparation stuff, similarly you will follow this plan or maybe identify, detect, identify, respond, protect and recovery, either one is also good.
Okay.
These all are the two. For example, Kalyan and Yugandhar, you will see web application security, wherever you will working, okay? Other than automotive guys, you will say broken access control. Access control is which property? Access control.
Access authorization.
Authorization or even though your access
Even
control, for example, you will say your ID card is there, you are swiping. That is authentication or authorization?
authentication.
Authentication and authorization is the two things. Whenever you will say that open web application security, access control, I will say access control, then you both can say that yes, we worked. Okay, then Kalyan, cryptographic failures. Can you please speak out what are the crypto operations you know?
Uh, HMAC, CMAC, AES,
Hmm. Uh,
RSA.
hmm. Operations I'm asking. HMAC is operation, CMAC is operation, AES and RSA is the algorithms. Then,
Yes, sir.
with help of AES, what are the operations you will do? I given a one test to you. Keep confidential. What operation you will perform?
Encryption, sir.
Encryption, decryption, hashing, Digital signature, MAC, CMAC, HMAC. These all are, you need to remember your brain, you need to tune
Okay, sir.
forever. Close your eyes and try to speak out. Don't read anything and speak out. From brain, you can speak out. What are the crypto operations?
So, encryption, decryption,
Hmm.
HMAC, CMAC,
Hmm.
digital signature,
Hmm. Key. How you will prepare key? Key is a combination of కీని ఎలా పెడతావు కీ పెట్టమన్నా నిన్ను కీ ఎలా పెట్టాలి ఏమేమి నెంబర్తో కీ పెడతావు
oh, random number generator.
ర్యాండమ్ నెంబర్ జనరేటర్ ప్లస్ యువర్ కంపెనీ
Cat
కాన్ఫిగరేషన్
number.
యాజ్ వెల్
Yes, sir.
ఇంజెక్షన్ you have a data once I injected that data is modifying or not modifying
Oh, not modifying.
really you have a someone is injecting is nothing but a reading or writing
Writing.
when someone is writing is modifying or not modifying
Modifying.
okay modifying is a which property
Integrity.
integrity Rudra Bhaskar Subham Saurabh Dev all are joined or Rudra insecure
Yes.
design means what insecure design
You are not considering the cybersecurity properties for the design properly.
That is the zero trust you mentioned right earlier. That means you are not maintained proper, bypassed something. Last time I shown a secure access tool, secure flashing tool. It is open directly or you taken any control? I logged in any credential.
No.
That means that is nothing but insecure design. Security misconfiguration, Ramesh. Misconfiguration. Misconfiguration means
So we are not properly configuring of the security.
yeah, when I given a project to you, clearly I told I have a 6 variant of the project. Okay? Low variant, medium variant, high variant, very high variant, hybrid variant. Like that I kept. When I'm asking like a low variant, I'm giving a high variant guy. When I'm going for a premium guy, then you are giving as a low variant guy. That is that such a configurations, you need to maintain a proper security. That is also important. Top five in normal IT securities. They will tell access control weakness, crypto failures, design failures, configuration failures, and injection related failures. Apart from that, someone will ask you like a top 10 secure logging and monitoring failures. Secure logging. Secure logging is which property? Secure logging.
Accountable.
Authentic.
Accountability.
1 minute. Ramesh, you told something. Secure logging. You are logging the data. Which property?
So accountability.
Okay, good. Identification and authentication failures. You are identifying and even though authentication. Identification and authentication failures. Okay. Assume outdated components. What is meant by outdated components?
For example, we may using a old software instead of the latest one.
You are a cyber security fellow. Outdated components means vulnerable and outdated components. I given
Okay.
symmetric tool.
Old type
Inside
of project.
symmetric, I given a symmetric tool. Inside symmetric tool, how many algorithms are there?
So for AES 128, 192, and 256.
That is one part. Apart from AES, you have some other algorithms also. Open that tool, symmetric tool. Point number 6, vulnerable and outdated is nothing but based on that method, I developed that tool actually. Outdated is DES is outdated.
Yeah.
EDES is outdated. Cyber level, you need to convince that way. Software and data integrity failures. Actually, today I thought like that class actually. Outdated. Software and data integrity failure is which concept? Software and data integrity failures. Which concept? I given a software, I
Yeah.
given a software, okay? You calculated the integrity, okay? Every power on you are checking time, your integrity is mismatching. Which property?
Secure boot.
Secure?
Boot.
Okay. If secure boot is failure, what is your reaction?
So I go to the safe state like
Your secure boot is failed.
okay.
What you will do? Secure boot is failed.
I will be in the root of trust or I will lock the issue.
You will see. Identification and authentication failure is you will see in previous day, anything I logged in when the tool immediately immediately I logged in the tool, right?
Yes, yes.
So you need to access a secure access really required or not required.
That is good.
Now you will see in the previous version tool, this is a defaultly enabled, right?
Yes,
Yes or no?
yes.
That is the way. Once you open a secure flashing tool also, you don't want to open immediately flashing tool. First, you need to ask them, is there right user or not? Is there right user? Then, is there having a secure access capability or not? Once secure access is passed, then you can open. That is the way they will, first they will identify and authentication failures, they will check it and all. Incorrect users, they will log also. Even though, for example, restricted area, in your environment, anytime you see in a restricted area, danger, restricted area.
Yeah. Like
Yes.
safety like this.
Uh,
Normal
for example,
education.
uh, okay, you will see it is a restricted area. Someone enter into that zone. You need the accountability. Log is required or not required.
Yes, required.
Yes, required.
If it is not required, then your organization is not a CSMS organization. You need to warn them. Some organizations you will see, when you are going for lunch break and all, some people don't care about CC cameras. As a cyber culture guy, how bad you will feel. One way you are saying that your organization is a cyber security management organization. Your cyber security management is not only identifying, right? Identifying and reporting is also your duty. Law, identification is okay. And then you need to capture the authentication failures also. That means not only logging, you need to monitoring also.
Hmm.
Monitoring time, which tool you guys, Venkat, Kalyan, Yugandhar, speak about your monitoring capability of tool. Monitoring. Which tool you guys are used for monitoring the CVVs? Which crypto tool you will use? Any tool? Kalyan, try. You remember that? What is the tool name I told? Remember or not? Kalyan,
No, sir.
Venkat,
Uh, it's not a VDT tool, like what you're telling, CVE storage, company owned tool,
yeah,
really.
yeah. What is the tool? You can build the story, right? You already build your story, right? Tell me what is the your tool name?
Uh, for example, it will be company owned tool. We have something called KDAR tool.
Okay.
We have a database of all CVE
Hmm.
already incident occurred.
This is the life cycle of vulnerability, right? This is the life cycle of your vulnerability. In this life cycle of vulnerability, even though you will do this process, these two, as a analyst, this is required. This flow is handling processes. Frankly, I'm telling you, handling is, for example, severe CVV is present in the organization. One role person will be panic. You can guess, Subham, who's that role? CVV is occurred, that score is detected 10. One cyber security role person will be huge panic. Who's that person?
Consultant,
Who?
consultant, or accessor.
Never be right. Architect is the person. They will escape easily. Whatever architect proposed the solution, I assess. That is the reason. Architect is the responsibility guy. PCP is the architect responsibility, business continuity planning responsibility. But here, as an analyst, your responsibility is This result you will analyze and you will inform to the team until first step you are there, discovery stage. Once you discovered, then you will give to the architects only. Managers, architects, and developers all together. Maybe test architects or hardware architects or system architects or software architects. Architect is the architect. Stage two, coordination time. Once they decided that mitigation, that is the reason starting you are there. Your duty you will done. Your duty is perfectly well done. For example, Kalyan, you are doing a product like a mobile, only iOS OS, Apple. Okay. In the Android, some problem occurred, and you raised it under tickets to your architect. Please analyze. You will scold you yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Why? Hey, before raising, at least you can't check that. It is a Android based problems or iOS based problems. That is the way. Your duty is minimum checks you will do. Minimum checks you will do. This picture always in our brain. So this one is also how they will do. Any asset, you will conduct a assessment and a tool, you will perform, anything is there, immediately you will starting point you will come. These two pictures and how you will get the flow, how some customer is, how some customer is created. Incident response team, how your flow is flowing. It may be a local event or any event. But I given the slides, how much you went into the deep level, I'm not sure. Some pictures you need to remember for our analyst. But you are not storing into your original data and you will feel like no, I didn't get anything. I'm helpless here. That is the reason. Incident related and asset related. If any asset, if I'm giving a laptop, if I'm giving a mobile, if I'm giving a washing machine, fridge, or maybe house, or maybe some shop, or maybe electronic control unit,
Ram,
server.
I think this life cycle of vulnerability and that other PPT what you showed, this was not given.
Who told that? You go and check that life cycle of the vulnerabilities. I never miss anything, right? Life cycle of vulnerability, two classes I teach their batch. Two classes dedicatedly I teach. Similarly, some coming back to the architects. You will see, for example, in the secure flashing tool, it is a combination of what are the features together as a secure flashing tool.
Secure access and secure
Secure,
reprogramming.
secure access plus
Secure
secure
reprogram.
reprogramming.
Yes.
Okay, secure reprogramming is happen. For example, you will see, you are saying that secure access. Just 1 minute, time out. 1 minute. You'll see. That is the way. For example, now you will see. That means if I'm registering also, now I will go to a hard reset. What is your expectation?
System will go for reboot.
Reboot. Now, for example, again I'm registered. Okay. One previous program I already registered. Still it is not taking. That means where I'm playing. Every program I'm playing where. Here, every hard reset I'm going there. But my registered data is I'm losing. That means
Yeah.
you are storing any server. Now you will see. This is a flashing tool. Your flashing tool, your file is enabled or disabled?
By default disable, we need to get the credentials to the
Uh,
tool, then we will get the file.
why your UDS is restricted now, right?
Yes.
And then you need to pass the secure access, right?
Yes.
And secure access pass purpose you already know, right?
Yes. It key
First
challenge.
you will get the key seed.
Yes.
Then you need to calculate the key. Then key response is passed, then you will say that your UDS is authorized. So that is the reason here also you when you are uploading any file, for example, any file, you need to reprogramming. Here at least you can tell that yes, I done. Instead of you will say that no, I didn't done. Better my advice is yes, we executed. I erased and everything and all. Yeah. Anyone?
Yeah, sorry to interfere. Venkat here again. I've just gone through all the like materials is there. I have not find the vulnerability, lifecycle vulnerability material is there. And also, I don't remember we have a session related to the lifecycle of vulnerability also. At least
Hmm?
until my
Mhm.
presence, only one day I was absent.
Even the source code scanning related, even the
Yes, yes, Ram, your voice breaking actually. I didn't hear.
one
Yeah, tell
minute.
me.
Vulnerable VARA analysis, I teach the yes or no.
Vara analysis. Yes, you have teached that thing.
Then I'm surprising 40, 30, today is, I think, as per me, 36, 38th class. Within a 2 minutes, how you scanned it, man?
No,
Name
I
avail
did it.
people, you can check, go and check it. Don't be. First, you check thoroughly and Saturday morning, let me know. Each and every whiteboard and everything. I teach, I remember. I never missed that class. Even though I will teach and I will give the homework. Even though as a analyst, every day your homework is what last 7 weeks. Tara analysis plus Vara analysis. If you guys are not following that, I'm helpless here.
Uh,
That is the
okay, I
way I
will
designed
also check
the,
once again.
yeah. Okay,
But
I designed in my part, I designed in my part for analyst job. If they will follow each and every what I suggested for them, they are eligible for nearly, I already Kalyan, how many roles? 18 roles or 19 roles?
I remember.
How many?
19, sir.
19 cyber security roles, you guys are eligible. I already shared that to Kalyan. He's having in our analyst group, even though Akshay, even though he came for Akshay, this course only like enhancing.
Yeah, maybe others also can check and let me know if I am missing something, which is that exact folder, because I just re-gone through everything also. I am not finding the life cycle of vulnerability.
Yeah, life cycle of vulnerability. Even we didn't get the PPT and everything.
Yes.
You just
I think as far as SBOM only, we had talked once to Vara, but other part where I think it has been touched.
Tell me,
Vara.
Ramesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So once we are having a SBOM like that, we will scan all the that means our tier one source code and OEM and as well as the free source code. So we'll
Hmm.
scan with the one tool. With that time we had spoken, but separately we had never got a chance to know the Vara from.
Vara, I teach you 2 days.
I
Source
think we
code
got,
scanning, you guys are remembered SR now.
yeah, that is a SBOM.
This contamination action also I teach you. This first
You are breaking your voice from.
no, I'm not speaking.
So,
Yeah, you check it. You guys can check it
okay.
once. Okay. Yeah, but then this source code scanners also I teach you guys how developer will write late stage when they will open source they will done like that. I remember. You will also cross verify. No problem. What name I kept, I am not sure. Give me 1 minute. So usually after work products or before work products, I will teach every class Vara analysis. System batch.
How did the religious reform movement balance the beliefs, the need for the social change?
Okay, mark is done in class.
Not reinterrupted அப்படியே யோசிச்சு அது சப்பாத்தி
You can also I teach you what to communication law.
reinterrupted like that reinterrupted it ethical like reinterrupted it in a rational way, rational and ethical way. Reformers emphasize the care of the spiritual value, but then oppose the blind rituals, superstitions, idol worship.
Now coming back to the secure boot, Ramesh. Who's the your root of trust?
Root of trust is going to be given for the issue management. Other microcontroller manufacturer.
How who is the your root of trust for secure boot?
Boot root. bootrom code.
Yeah, bootrom code. Who's the owner of the bootrom code?
So it's a manufacturer, issue manufacturer or
Okay,
microcontroller,
okay,
not microman.
okay.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, for example, in the bootrom code or anything, whatever may be, what are the crypto algorithms you will use for secure boot?
Signature, digital signature.
Okay,
And also we may use, if it's not having a HSM, we may go to the OTP, one time
okay,
password. If you have the HSM, we will go to the HSM directly and you can access that.
okay,
So there we may use a AES algorithm or a T random generator.
secure boot is every power on action or only one time action?
Every power on.
Every power on, you will check only like all the pins, all the blocks or everything, or only you will check only source programming flash.
We will
You
check
will,
all. We will check all.
that means you will check almost all the things, or
All the
only
things.
you will check the program flash.
No, no, no. We will check all the things.
Really? Your secure flash, okay? Your boot table is there, right? Can you please open and verify what is the boot table you configure?
Yeah,
Secure
it's
boot
only
table.
checking the memory location and not the pins like that.
Hmm. But you need to verify all.
Yes.
That time, what you need to do? But automotive level, what is the your duty? Every power up. For
Yeah, we have to
example,
check all the right
if
stuff.
you will see, if I'm giving a initiative pin to pin scan, I'm verifying I have a 600 pins. I'm verifying each pin, it is correctly there or not. Otherwise, if I am engaging only like I have a some blocks, please check it block by block. This scan is nothing but a your sequential. Each block, whatever you configured, it is verified, status is verified or not verified. So these all are also configurable things way. For example, what are the crypto interfaces, crypto algorithms you are using for secure boot and what type of attacks they can, power glitch related, maybe brute force related, temperature related, magnetic related, X-ray related, ultraviolet related, side channel related. Hmm? These all are the some of the attacks possible for cyber secure boot type. But in automotive use case, always you have a certain blocks. That blocks you need to be verify each power on without miss. That is the way I teach for you guys. Similarly, secure reprogramming time. Secure reprogramming time mandatorily required for this one also. When you are downloading single bank and multiply, two different things are there. You are transferring, okay. I'm not denying that transferring. Then you will execute some attack. Possible. When you are downloading via some communication only. So, reprogramming tool or maybe any tool also. You worked or not, then you confidently you can tell my organization where I worked, we used this is the tool, and still we are a beginner, even though last 4 years officially cyber security. Regulation, last 2 years, regulation. 2011, functional safety. 15 years, still safety people itself, they will tell their aerospace, it is there in 50 plus years, in automotive, last 15 years. But cyber security, regulation, last 2 years. You have a reason to debate with your interviewer also. Your total overall experience, Saurav, Dev and Ramesh, how many? 10 plus years. Hardly 2 plus years in the regulation. You can convince, your answer supposed to be now, not a theory. You worked, still your organization is also learning from mistakes. Okay, now secure reprogramming, suddenly attack is happened. It is at a single bank. What are the losses, Saurabh Dev?
Software might be tempered. The target software might be tempered.
Before that, my question again, I'm repeating. You have a single bank,
Okay.
okay? During the reprogramming, someone is attacked you.
During reprogramming. Okay. Then there the main software which is going to be placed. Uh, so it depends on the which stage it is happened. So if it is happening after erase, then we won't have any application software, and ECU will go to boot, and it might stay in boot recovery mode in fail-safe state.
That means you are losing the existing thing also, yes or no?
Yeah, exactly.
That means existing software you are losing, and new software is also, it is manipulated. Then
Yeah,
you are asking him to wait for some days, right?
yeah.
Okay, then you will ask like anytime you seen a flashing tool. What is your
Okay.
answer?
Uh,
You
they
are
need
seen an
to
hmm.
they need to provide.
Usually you will register or prior itself you will register.
Prior itself will register.
Prior or you will register now.
Will register now.
It will take now. Why? I given LGD only, right?
Hmm.
Why?
Some attack
Any
happened.
clue? Yeah.
Yeah. So you're saying because the attack happened, and because of that might be.
Hmm. Okay. Then Subham. Subham joined or not
Yeah,
yet?
yeah.
Yeah. Subham. Exact difference between safety and security.
So safety talks about the prevention of the unintended things, like uh, because of some failures in the electrical electronics, and
Yeah.
we got some malfunction,
Safety
we have to
safety is
prevent
a
it
inside action or outside action as well.
inside only.
Okay. Security.
It's always you need to protect from the um outside attacks, you can say.
Outside. Okay, then in the cyber attack, If cyber attack is happen, who's the safer side person? Is the safety person or security person?
Both will be impacted
Who's
because
the
by
loser? Safety, how will they will escape? They will easily, they will tell, right? You are in the safe side.
yeah,
You
we'll
you
go to
have
the
the
safe
proof,
state.
yes or no?
Yeah, we'll have the proof, but we reduce the availability of the system, right? So
You will reduce, but you have the evidence to provide. Safety person is safe or security person?
safety person.
Why? Each goal, you have a DTC, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, then now I will ask Gerard Thomas. Each cyber security attack, you have any DTC? How many ways you can attack the system? Thomas, you are there. Otherwise, analyst group, any Akshay or anyone. Can you please tell me known cyber security attacks? How many ways anyone can attack you? Anyone? If you remember your attack trace, then you will get this answer. How many ways anyone can attack you? Minimum. Your asset is a
Mm,
can. How many ways they can attack you? These all are the ways, right? Maybe brute force attack they can do, side channel attack they can do, man in middle attack they can do, replay attack they can do, session hijacking they can do, spoofing they can do. But each attack you have any DTC?
no.
That is the reason always in the automotive level, security is not reached the maturity. So that way you can't satisfy the interviewer. I'm not denying, but you can depend. You guys can depend with your interviewer. Yes, I worked. Okay, then now coming back to Bhaskar. Static architecture is important or dynamic architecture is important? Your static architecture or dynamic architecture?
Sorry? Hmm.
Any security feature. Static
Yeah,
architecture is important or dynamic architecture is important for you?
uh, dynamic because seed key concept here unlock.
Not only that. For example, static is a where exactly operation will perform. How
EC,
operation is performing, you will show inside the dynamic behavior or static behavior.
static.
Um, okay, Rudra,
Operations are performing in the dynamic view. Their sequence diagrams and timings we used to give right order of the sequence of the things will go.
oh,
And the
yeah,
component diagram is basically for just how the components are interacting, like interface to interface or if your library calls like that. That will be basic.
that is the way. Your interview questions will be always will shoot in a not in a exact point to point. Okay. Interview questions you will take into control and you will ask in the direction. Now, for example, who will explain about a voluntarily clause 9? Clause 9, anyone?
Yeah, I can explain.
Yeah, clause 9 is
The concept page.
yes.
So there we have as input customer requirement and item definition,
Hmm,
and action is Tara, and output we have CS goal and CS goal we have as output,
hmm,
and And also we can derive CS concept also from there.
Okay.
Yeah, and this much we have in class 9.
For example, in the class 9, how many inputs you are taking majorly?
Customer requirement and item definition we are taking.
Item definition or cyber security goal?
Cybersecurity goal is the output of clause 9, which will be taken as the input for clause 10.
That is the, you will see. Tara, if I'm giving as a input means, Tara input is what? Tara output only, right?
The output is CS goal, yeah.
That is the reason cyber clause 9, you have two inputs. One is Tara, second is customer requirement. In the
Okay.
customer require Tara, if I'm giving as a input to the Tara, what is meant by that?
Threat analysis and
Tara, I'm giving a input. Subham. You will consider as the cyber security goal is the you are giving input or item you are giving the input.
No, no, goals and claims only.
That is the reason. Clause 9 always you will give goal. Based on the goal, you will prepare your functional security concept and technical security concept. Otherwise, you will prepare your cyber security requirements and you will prepare your architecture. Okay, then another way. Secure communication will voluntarily explain what is meant by secrecy. Anyone? Ramesh or anyone?
Yeah, I can explain.
Yeah, please.
So for the normally when we are communicating between the EC1 to the EC2, so normally if we are using the second, we don't having any protection. So for that reason, we are having using a first security, where
Okay.
for the CAN, we are going to be for the message, we there may be chance of fake issue can send the message or replay attack may be occur. So that is also one and one more thing, there may be chance of a tampering also.
Okay.
So to protect these three things, we are going to be using the first security concept, where
Hmm.
we are going to be with the help of the security, we are going to be hiding a freshness value for that message, which helps us to protect from the replay attack. So and also we are going to be adding up a MAC for our payload. So for the MAC is going to be protected from the authentication as well as the identify. So in this way we can protect our EC2 data from the EC1 to the EC2.
If you add a any MAC or a CMAC or HMAC hash or digital signature, it
Okay.
is a integrity purpose you will add or something else purpose you will add.
Integrity, if it's MAC means integrity as well as the authenticity. Why means MAC is a
If
consist of
you
both a
for a
hash as well as a signature key.
okay, then exact difference between hashing and encryption.
Hashing is hashing is used to provide for the if anything has been tampered, so that can be identified. Whereas encryption is nothing but we are unreadable format only we are going to creating. It will not protect the integrity. The hashes will provide the integrity, whereas encryption will be confidentiality.
Okay, secure boot. You don't have a budget for secure boot.
Okay,
SLD is yours
okay,
as a cyber security architect.
okay.
What is your discussions with customer, discussion with your management?
Mm. So I will try to convince if as it is a SLD, we need to have high safety protection, safety as well as which is going to be critical also. Uh, why means it will be impacting of a on vehicle level like life threatening
Mhm.
and I will provide some Tara case, Tara analysis report so that I will provide evidences that due to this thing, if it is a SLD, I need to have a secure boot as a major so that it will protect
Yeah.
and as well as it will satisfy SLD level considering. And if it is not means what we can do means I can do the decomposing or I can
Okay. Where you worked, your secure HSM, hardware security module is developed by?
so I can use a third party also.
Okay. Then I will
If it
ask
is
you, can you please list out three top use case for HSM?
so random number generation and security authentication and
Okay.
generation also generation verification and as well as storage.
Whatever you mentioned, one is you will, if you are generating a random number from hardware, you will
Okay.
call it as a
TRNG,
TRNG
TRNG,
or
TRNG, TRNG.
okay. Anytime you involved for a entropy level checking time, what is the strength of random number it is generating? You involved as an architect.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I will ask you another way. Your secure boot is failed.
Okay.
Then what are the reaction you are showing to the system?
So if secure boot is failing, I am going to be making a safe state like resetting of my micro or I am
Okay.
locking depend upon the architecture design. Resetting or I can lock it easily. Disable of that functionality.
Okay. Sender side, what operations you will perform for confidentiality side, receiver side, what you will do. When you are achieving a confidentiality property,
Okay.
sender what operation you will perform.
Confidential encryption and the receiver it will do the decryption.
When you are you need to provide a integration,
Okay.
integrity.
Okay.
What operations maybe sender can do.
Hashing or MAC.
Okay. Any other?
Digital signature also.
Digital signature.
Digital signature. Yes.
Okay. In the secure diagnosis, Saurabh
Okay.
Dev, how many methods you know secure diagnostic?
Secure diagnostics using 2701 we can do,
Hmm.
and challenge response. I mean seed key and challenge response.
When you are explaining, that time you will say that seed and key and challenge response, or you will say 2701. You never tell 2701. You will tell, I have a legacy concept, 27 service, seed and key concept, advanced concept, challenge response to concept. Then I will say, I don't have these two. Okay, what else you required? You need to log the ECU and you need to unlock the ECU. What and all you require, tell me. I don't give any 27 or 29 or whatever maybe. As a architect, locking and unlocking, what are the infrastructure you required? Tell me.
For that key is required.
What are the infrastructure? If Rama, you provide this infrastructure, yes, I can do it. Secure access. What are that infrastructure you required? Why you are unable to telling, you didn't done any project. You didn't took a use case. That is the reason. That is the reason, even though I told you guys, please complete your project, three projects. Ramesh and Saurabh. Particularly, I told you need to take a control to your interviewer into your grip. how much you are reading also, they will confuse you and all. But you are doing as a project. Okay, similarly, if I given a random number generator, I given a one key algorithm logic, you are able to implement secure access, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. In the secure access, you can give me three top use cases for secure access mandatorily required.
Okay. For flashing, we need before flashing.
Okay.
Then before entering into programming session,
Okay.
and before doing any kind of safety or security related activities, like enabling some functionalities we need.
Okay.
Yeah, so these are the three use cases.
Okay. Your vehicle is moving and 300 kilometer per hour. Someone suddenly remotely reset the ECU. Before reset, you need any secure access software reset, or directly anyone can execute that reset.
Now we need some access for that.
Really? Whenever you are giving a 1101, you have the secure access.
No, that we don't have.
Hmm. But the use case I told, right? You allowed for me remote access. Then your vehicle is running, I given a 1101.
Uh, Remote access we can give only to authorized users.
Okay. Okay. What is the exact two difference between normal flashing and auto flashing?
In auto flashing, that one thing is that TLS is required, but in normal flashing, TLS is not required.
Why? If you mean to say that without TLS, I can't download my data from cloud.
Uh, TLS without TLS encryption, it is I mean through secure
It is
channel we have to.
it is a recommendation. That's it. TLS is a transport layer security. It is a recommendation when you are fetching from the data from the cloud. Normal flashing and auto flashing, what are the major differences?
In auto placing ECU directly, we can't access the ECU. First, it has to come through telematics. But
Okay.
in normal placing, directly the target ECU can be accessed. That
Okay.
is one
Any other
difference.
difference? For example, you are having a single bank, then you are
Hmm.
implementing a VOTA. It is acceptable.
In single, no, dual bank required for that.
Okay. If it is a dual bank, you are erasing the firmware.
No, not erasing. So it will be kept in the bank B. So later we can activate it.
Okay. If how many ways you can corrupt the firmware? How many ways?
During flushing, we can give one power cycle.
Okay.
That is one way. Then uh, we can give some.
Okay. Coming back to the developers now. Jayshree, tell me CSM interfaces, what interfaces you are aware? Any interface. Jayshree, you are able to hear me? Yeah, whatever the interfaces you are aware, tell me. At least you guys have checked the developer folder? Yes or no? Yeah, whatever I kept all the things, you guys are purely developers, cybersecurity developers. You guys are walk through these documents, yes or no? Rajesh,
Yes, Ram.
you opened these documents, yes or no?
Yes, Ram.
What it contain, first three, what you observed.
Taking input parameters, Ram.
Okay. You walk through these first three documents completely.
No, Ram.
Now, first you told yes. Now you are saying no. Which one is right? Today date is already 19, right? When I uploaded you guys. Without this, what you guys are doing as a project then? Without this, how you will understand, man? Parameters. Here only I uploaded, right? All the parameters. If you guys are not walk through this parameter, how you will understand that? How it looks like everything, right? Each and every parameter, including channel numbers, how they will look, each one screenshot including that description, that meaning. It took for me 22 days for preparation of these documents. Each role I designed my course design 9 months. Utilize this, walk through that. Then I will do one more mock also I will do before closing you all. Today also developers really disappointed. Somehow architects, okay. Analyst also, no. Whenever I given each and every day time two homeworks to you guys. Tara and Vara. Tara level, everyone reached maturity level. Vara level, Gerard, maybe in the month of December and January mid. I'm okay. Later, he also lose the grip. If I will give now, you guys know, 100 plus, 1000 plus, 1500, 2000, 3000, 4000, that much report will give. When I given as a Linux, I will get 6000 Vara analysis report. Out of 6000 as a analyst, you need to have at least your project. What is the kernel they are using? This really applicable or not applicable? Yugandhar, your case. Sometimes security operation
Yes.
centers, you will get that maybe 1 minute. I will show that you will get the clarity. Yeah. That is the reason your course is not completed only Kalya. Okay, remaining guys, I will clap it next Sunday. Kalyan, I will spend some time until you will get the job. Why means this is the place I accepted you. Okay, I will guide you also. This is nothing but a SIM. SIM is
Okay.
nothing but a security information and event management. There you will keep, you will see. But if I correlate, so for example, real-time alerting. In real-time alerting, real-time means every power on yes or no, Subham or Rudra.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, real-time is a every power on, right? Every
Yes.
power on secure boot is there. I'm alerting yes or no.
Yes.
I have a secure log. I'm monitoring yes or no.
Yes.
I have a reporting intrusion detection system. IDS is there. I'm reporting yes or no.
Mm.
That way I can correlate with my guys. For you guys, this is the tool. You have a dedicated one tool. Inside the tool, they will do all the actions. That is the differ. Here we'll call it as a security operations center guys, analysts. They will get alerts also, incidents also, log management also. You are keep on looking that only that attacks. But here I teach you guys how to do a systematic way for Tara analysis and even though brute force attack. Here I clearly told how your password strength and all looks like. So these attacks little bit okay, but Vara analysis level, this sim level, right? Really, no.
Ye-
This is also, I expected you guys to be strong enough. If I'm given as a thousands of records also, Rama, we have a intelligence to sacrifice. It is applicable or not applicable. Okay. So yeah, I plan to teach today 9 members joined, right? Really disappointed. This is the first time you guys are also. Don't do that. Okay. One more week, 6 more classes. Saturday, this Saturday, Sunday, next week, 4 classes. 6 classes. Don't miss under. So on time, please join. Okay. If less members, I will teach much more better next time. I don't call also you guys. If you any on time, please join the class. If attendance is very less, that is the way. Without any confirmation or anything, someone is not joined, I will really disappoint and all. I never, even though one day also, I never in my entire education, I never took one day also holiday, including my brother marriage. My friend knows we visited college on time. But okay, emergency, I'll agree. I'm not denying that. My at that time I got a luck, right? Weekends came and which is okay. If you have an emergency, I excluded and all. Please join. We'll do the closer also very smoothly and all. You have a method like a how automotive level and normal IT analyst level how they will do and all. Kalyan, this many days you will listen, you try, attempt it, fail, keep on failure, right? Okay, last 2 days back, I celebrated one guy got a job, but that guy failed nearly 9 interviews also. Itself of training itself, you reached that state. I'm happy about your batch. Almost all are right targeted, except Rajesh. Everyone given a interview. Okay, success I never measure with the success. You given the interview, that is first step I achieved. Second step is I'm hoping Saurabh Dev today don't misuse and all. You have a lot of fear. I understood that. That is the reason I'm motivating. You do best. Whatever you are there, confidently you can tell.
Yeah, yeah, I'll give my best.
Okay. So this one is the job of Uja, Yugandhar.
Yes, Ram.
Whose job? Investigating a security alert, first level.
Yeah, as an analyst, we need to detect it. All this.
That's someone already detecting purpose, you have a tool. But
Okay.
before going to architect your job,
Yes.
you need to know
Okay.
minimum investigation.
Okay.
Tara level, everyone reach, but Vora level, a little bit disappointed today. Maybe we'll see next week somewhere. Okay.
Okay.
Again, we will discuss this point. Any questions? Anyone? Cyber kill chain method, anyhow, you guys aware? Cyber kill chain method, easily you can answer. So, only thing is, these three differences, maybe pen test you involved or not, or something, it is a debatable topics. Okay. Incident response tools also, someone is a more stressing, right? You can easily tell that synopsis tool we are using, my organization is using, continuously we are monitoring. I'm hoping, Kalyan, today onwards you will do work and attend some more interviews.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason yesterday night also I shared you. It is not only one thing, it is a scenario based questions also. Security Operations Center, I don't recommend because their night shifts are there. That is the reason always you try for a normal analyst. It didn't work out, then you will go for IPRO or TCS or Essential, Capgemini. So it is a rotational shifts. Some out of 1 month, at least 1 week, you need to do for a night shift also sometimes.
Yes, sir.
Rudra, whatever you not done, please complete that.
Yes, sir.
Subham, Subham, your folders, look it and do it that. Three at least. So Saturday, Sunday, at least I will complete secure boot and security. That time you guys will see. Saturday, Sunday time you will have a secure JTAG, secure access, secure flashing, secure boot, security. Five projects. Five project, 1 hour interview. You can easily manageable. That is the my plan. So okay, see you all Saturday then. You any Saurabh Dev or Ramesh, any questions?
No questions from my side.
Yeah, Thomas, I am done for the day. You can carry on. Yeah, Rajesh and Jayshree, please go through that folder and verify all the parameters also. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Somehow, yeah, anyhow, Arita, I don't give questions. Anyhow, you done for your job and enjoy your holidays and join. Okay. After joining also, you are getting anything under, I given the both the numbers to you, emergency purpose, initial days is allowed, no problem. Hmm? Focus about to complete ISO based and stick with that. What is there you kept in the region? That concepts, please prepare. Kalyan, I'm hoping Naukari and everywhere, wherever you are updating, you will change your keywords, uh, then apply
Yes, sir.
from your side also.
Okay, sir.
LinkedIn or anywhere. You are good, then I will only recommend Rudra also will push you. Because you already know Rudra, Vara analysis, at least every project need one guy. Okay, every BU at least to 6 people, 7 people. Every BU means maybe how you are dividing into a clusters, right? VW cluster, Daimler, Volvo, like that. So Varai analysis maintenance is also a nice concept actually in the current trend.
Yes.
So yeah, Kalyan, if you prepare well in my mock you will through, then I can push my colleagues, someone, please help this fellow. Interview, not for job. Remember, I never recommend for job anyone also. Interview, I can push. Yeah, do your best. Okay, then no more questions. See you all Saturday morning. Uh, yeah, I have tomorrow demo. If any of your friends are interested, please forward. I will forward you the where institute guys are created LinkedIn. I will do that. Yeah, Rudra, please stay and remaining all see you on Saturday.